BBS was founded 20 years ago. And now, we're looking back on our incredible history. As part of the Bay Company, we've had tremendous success, but not without challenges. Today, over time, we have mastered processes and overcome unique challenges. And those difficult times have brought us closer together. They've made us into who we are today. So let's look back on the last 20 years of work together. The construction of boiler systems for China National Offshore Oil Corporation, or working with Russian company Lukoil in the Caspian Sea. Issues such as space constraints, specific country regulations, and extreme weather conditions have pushed us to perform at our best.
You have to develop the whole thing with the entire team. Think about how it works, find solutions, and most importantly, convince customers of these solutions.
Throughout our 20 years, we have continually overcome new challenges. The link between BBS and our customers is our representatives from many different countries. We value them and their significance to our company. Many of these partnerships have lasted for decades, and from partners, they become friends.
We are very proud to have such partners worldwide who bring us and our products closer to customers in these countries and ultimately convince them to do business with us rather than our competitors, no matter how large and powerful they may be.
Thanks to these partnerships, we've gained many customers, including the Central Laundry in Zurich, Switzerland, the Paul Erishbacher Brewery, and in Belarus, we built two 7.4 megawatt plants for VNG IKEA. And in one of our most challenging projects, BBS realized 7 auxiliary boilers for the world's largest solar plant in Dubai.
Every employee of our company can be proud that a piece of our work stands in the desert of Dubai and ultimately performs its function.
These projects were exhausting, but they also sharpened our expertise and filled us with the pride of being part of something great. An interesting but also technically demanding task came from the Steam Locomotive and Machine Factory, DLM AG, in Winterthur, Switzerland. The private association, Dampferverband, decided to restore a historic steamship, the MSBs, built in 1901 on Lake Thun. We replaced the diesel engine with a steam engine. The challenge of installing a steam boiler system inside of a cramped space of an old ship's hull required a lot of brain power, engineering skill, and experience. But it also took a lot of courage. Even more, we designed the steam engine to make intermediate stops without shutting down the fire system, remotely controlling it from the bridge, and meeting Switzerland's modern safety and environmental standards. The successful completion of this project was a crowning achievement for us. In 2020, when the worldwide pandemic hit, BBS's future was uncertain. We braced for the worst.
That was a moment of terror. when we didn't know how things would continue at all.
And then, when Russia invaded the Ukraine, we had to reflect deeply on the values which define us: reliability, expertise, problem solving, and a focus on solutions.
It wasn't just about signing the contract, but always being ready to solve the problem and never leaving us in the lurch.
Values that our founder Carl Bay instilled in our company from the very beginning.
For me, the company holds tremendous value because this company is practically my life. I used to live for the company Bay, and now I live wholeheartedly for the company BBS.
Tragically, in 2023, Carl passed away. His life's work will forever be the foundation of our company. Now, we must continue on the path, just as he would have wanted. Through times of worldwide crisis, we proudly continue to deliver results on projects around the world. The Fraunhofer Institute in Karlsruhe and Oberhausen, Lindt Schokolade in Switzerland, Helmut Schmidt University of the Bundeswehr in Hamburg, Alfred Krupp Hospital in Essen, international projects such as Coca-Cola in Iraq or Pepsi in Cyprus. We've delivered stunning results in Saudi Arabia, Egypt, Bangladesh, and Israel. The construction of the 400-megawatt district heating plant in Astana, Kazakhstan, presented us with major logistical challenges. We developed a solution that served the unique needs of the country. Finished units were transported on trucks and assembled in extreme weather conditions to meet tight delivery and assembly times.
We commissioned group by group and were ultimately able to provide heating for residential buildings, office complexes, and also the residences of the Republic of Kazakhstan.
As we move into the next chapter of BBS's legacy, we will focus even more on our strengths, bringing them to the rest of the world with our trademarked commitment to excellence.
We deliver solutions, and these solutions are something the customer ultimately expects from us. That we position ourselves in the market as a brand that is known and where customers know I'm in good hands. For us, it was important to have someone who could help us with our problem and always stand by our side. We absolutely feel in good hands with BBS.
The simple fact is, we are always there for our customers, guiding them through unique challenges with our expertise.
If I don't function, the company doesn't do well. But also, if a welder doesn't function and a weld joint isn't right and cracks somewhere on a ship in the South China Sea, the company doesn't function either. If our steam boiler fails, about 80 employees in our production are left with absolutely no work, and we cannot process any laundry.
BBS is unconditionally loyal to our employees, and through the years, we've earned their loyalty in return.
I'm also a little proud that people might appreciate that and can say, I feel good, I'm part of this team, and I do amazing, great things.
Und ich mache eigentlich tolle, großartige Sachen.
Our family spans far beyond our employees and clients. Our long-term suppliers such as Weishput, ARI, KSB, and many others stand by our side, helping us deliver expertly crafted solutions for each of our projects.
We firmly believe that our expertise is valuable.
Etwas Wertvolles ist.
What was important to me was that you could communicate with the people there and that there was a high level of expertise. Essentially, we received positive feedback and technical solutions for all the questions we had. A really amazing system, and many wonder how the device even got in there. There are really great pictures of how it was installed.
Each person in our company plays a role in this. We are truly greater than the sum of our parts. It is the secret to our success.
And that's really the big goal, to say, we are here, we are on the market, we are known. People know that when they come to us, they get a solution that works.
Bekommen Sie eine Lösung, die funktioniert.
More than ever, BBS strives to continue our legacy instilled by the late Carl Bay. Step by step, becoming the lighthouse that shows others the way in our world.